Hey, what's up YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again. Alright, so got some questions about hard inquiry removal. Non-account holding inquiries, getting these disputed, getting them off your credit reports, moving on from these hard inquiries, these non-account holding inquiries. Now you don't want to dispute account holding inquiries, accounts that are open, you're using them, and you got a hard inquiry and you're using them and you're getting that benefit of the good credit, right? Non-account holding inquiries. You go into a car dealership, I hear this still, people getting their credit run, 10, 15 times, maybe looking for a mortgage or home, maybe you didn't get the car, maybe you didn't get the mortgage, maybe you got all these hard inquiries you didn't think you were gonna get, maybe trying to get bank cards or business credit, yes, and you didn't get that, so stuff you didn't get, non-account holding inquiries you can dispute. It's very specific language that we've got in the letters. There's specific, special 604, Fair Credit Reporting Act 604 letters, which you can get at 609creditrepair.com in the Beyond Committed package. We've got the 604 letters for the hard inquiries, okay? It talks about permissible purpose, okay? Unauthorized, non-account holding inquiries, unverified, non-account holding inquiries. So, this individual asks, okay, when disputing hard inquiries, would the best approach be to send these hard inquiry letters to the creditors, okay, send these hard inquiry dispute letters to the creditors and wait to see what happens and then send letters to the credit bureaus? Or should I send the letters to the credit bureaus first and see what happens and then send the letters to the creditor or vice versa and all that good stuff, okay? This person says, thanks for all your work for putting out these packages and videos. Okay, I got results, got collections removed in the first round of dispute letters. They're still working on some things, but they did get some collections removed in their first round of letters. So I can say it works. I can say the letters, the packages worked. I appreciate any help you have with the hard inquiry question, all right, that this person has. So do you send the letters to the creditors first or the credit bureaus first? You can send both at the same time, okay? So we've got letters that go to the creditor, we've got letters that go to the credit bureaus. You can send the disputes for the hard inquiry dispute letters to the credit bureaus and the creditors at the same time. They have to do their own independent investigation, the creditors, 30 days they've got, and then they still have to respond to the credit bureaus within 30 days, and then the credit bureaus have to respond to you within 30 calendar days. So it makes it more challenging, a two-pronged approach that you've got available to you at, that's right, 609creditrepair.com, or we can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com. Please give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, try button, and until I see you in person, I will see you on the other side. Take care.